Hello, everyone, and welcome to the first Property Management Training Essential Insights Micro Training. I'm Erica Miles, the Training and Technical Assistance Manager at Community Investment Corporation, or CIC.
And I'm Maggie Cassidy, the Director of the Preservation Compact. Today, we're here to discuss an important aspect of property ownership in Cook County, appealing your assessed value. Understanding this process is crucial, especially this year, as every property in Chicago is being reassessed. Navigating through this can lead to substantial savings on your tax bill.
Now, Maggie, before we get started, I'm just going to say the thing that might be on some people's minds that saving on your property taxes doesn't sound that sexy, right? But the money you save has just as much value as the money you earn. So, let's start by understanding how property taxes are determined. The process begins with the assessor, who assesses the value of your property and determines your assessed value. Then, various taxing bodies like cities or schools set their budgets, which determines the levy. Then, the clerk brings it all together and determines the tax rate, which is used to calculate your property tax bill. Because the assessed value is the first step in the process, it plays an important role in determining your final tax bill. Now, if you believe your property's assessed value doesn't reflect its true market value, it's within your rights and, to be honest, is often to your benefit to appeal.
2024 is a reassessment year for Chicago, meaning every property's assessed value is up for review. Appealing is particularly crucial now because any changes in the assessed value will impact your tax bill for the next 3 years. It's even more vital if your property has experienced changes like vacancies, which could affect its value. Successfully appealing could lead to significant tax savings over the next 3 years.
Okay, great. Now, the thing about appealing, it is a time-sensitive process. So it's important that you are proactive about preparing your appeal. Even before you receive the notice of your new assessed value in the mail, you should keep in mind a few important steps. So, the first thing is to ensure that you're prepared. You want to start by verifying your property information. So, it's important that your mailing address is correct as per the county's records. You'll receive a new assessed value via mail. The second thing is you should also determine which township your property is located in, because that will determine when you can submit your appeal. You can check these details at cookcountypropertyinfo.com. And as a quick note, all of the links that we mentioned are shared in the video description below. Now, each township has a specific 30-day window to file an appeal. So that's why timing is so important. So you should regularly check the assessor's office calendars and deadlines webpage to stay informed about your township schedule. Now, if you miss your window, you still have options, so never fear. However, the appeal process becomes more complicated and potentially more expensive outside of that window. So it's better to submit your appeal to the assessor's office on time.
When it comes to filing your appeal, you do have options. You can either handle the appeal yourself, which might be suitable, especially if you are experienced and your case is very straightforward. Or you can hire a professional, such as an appeals attorney or representative, which I recommend if you're new to the process or if your case is complex. The choice depends on your comfort level with the process and the specifics of your case. Most CIC property owners and myself work with an appeals attorney or representative.
That's good advice, Maggie. So choosing the right professional help is crucial. Now, while CIC provides a list of potential representatives as a resource for your convenience, we do not endorse any specific individuals. We encourage you to speak with multiple professionals to determine who will be the best fit for your business. Most professionals work on a contingency basis, meaning their fee is based on the success of your appeal. So, you only pay if they reduce your tax bill. Let me repeat that. That's very important. In many cases, you only pay if they reduce your tax bill. Generally, the fee is calculated as a percentage of any eventual savings on your tax bill. In most cases, again, you will not have to pay upfront. But it's important to discuss fee structures with specific professionals and choose a representative you trust. Now, if you're interested in learning more about how to manage your property tax obligations, whether or not you choose to work with a professional and you just want to understand the process yourself, CIC's in person property management training provides more detail on property tax appeals. You can learn more on our website, which is cicchicago.com. Then you'll go to the programs tab, and then you'll look for property management training.
To sum up, appealing your property's assessed value is a proactive step that every property owner should consider, especially during a reassessment year like this one. By understanding the process, ensuring your property details are accurate, being aware of your appeal window, and deciding on the right approach for filing your appeal, you can manage your tax obligations effectively. Remember, the goal is not just to save money, but also to ensure that your property is fairly assessed. CIC and the Compact have a number of resources available to you, including a more detailed appeals guide and a list of appeals professionals. You can find more information on the Preservation Compact's website by scanning the QR code on the screen or in the links below. We hope that this has provided you with essential insights into the property tax appeals process and encourage you to explore other resources offered by CIC, CIC's Property Management Training Program, and the Preservation Compact. Thanks.
Thanks for watching.